you're wondering if Trendyol, a Turkish online store, has an affiliate program, I'm going to be answering this question and telling you the requirements, how to join their affiliate program. If you meet the criteria that they are looking for, then you can promote their products. Now, you might be wondering, what is Trendyol? Trendyol is among the top, maybe number one top Turkish brand when it comes to online marketing, or maybe not marketing, online products, or maybe online store. This is the place where you're gonna find all of the things, okay? All of the things. Trendyol offers a lot in terms of actually what the products. We have a lot of them. We have for male, for women, for mothers and children. We have home and living. We have supermarkets. We have cosmetic. We have shoes. All of them are electronic bestsellers, and now they have new features for bestsellers, flash products. So Trendyol is among the top brands when it comes to actually doing what? When it comes to actually Turkish products, okay, and also international products. They feature a lot of things. So do we have an affiliate program whereby you can pick these products and start promoting? Yes, we have. And their program, I'm gonna be showing you the name. The name is actually it's called trendyol.com influence, or maybe basfuru, something to do with that. So this is the link that I'm talking about. You click on this link and then it's gonna bring to you to this dashboard whereby you can start signing up Trendyol affiliate system application form. You need to fill this form for you to be accepted into their program, and also there are some other requirements that I'm going to be going through just in a few minutes. Okay, so let's see what are these, or maybe what are the criteria to fill this form for affiliate program. I have to say that this is super interesting because it is not like the other ones whereby you just go and fill in whatever you want to fill. This one is super tricky. Now first, as you can see, you're gonna have to translate it. Normally comes in Turkish, but you have the option to translate it. And then as you can see the dashboard, they say, would you like to earn income by sharing your favorite products on Trendyol with your followers? Fill out the application form and let's get to work. For frequently asked questions, please click here. Okay, now this is the form that they want you to fill. And on this form, I have to mention that the prerequisition, or maybe the things that are actually participants need to fill, they are super high. Individuals who meet the rules below and are deemed suitable as a result of the review conducted within the framework of the platform rules can become influencers. Please check to review our affiliate program process map. Now, this is the things that they are selling. You need to bear in mind, your number of followers on Instagram must be over 30,000. Can you imagine? So if you are less than 30,000, if you have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, 25, 29, they won't accept until you reach 30,000 followers. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Now, your followers and interactions like likes, comments, views, etc. should not be acquired through non-organic means. They should be completely organic. This means you cannot make some tricks or magic to actually for people to like your product, or maybe you cannot make, or maybe use an AI stuff or something to do with unrealistic results. They must be organic. People who love your products, or maybe what your profile, or maybe what you are talking about, or maybe promoting. Now, every influencer must work within a company or an agency or social content creator exemption method to which they bill their earnings. Okay, method to which they can bill their earnings. Okay, so you must work if you are an influencer, you must work with a company or an agency or social content creator. Okay, they should not be an account that actively sells products. Okay, there should not be an account that actively, like you cannot be just selling products and products. You need to talk about something. Okay, now once you are done, you're gonna come here where they say enter your contact information. You're gonna fill your name, your surname, your Turkish ID number. So that means that you must be a Turkish, or maybe you must be in Turkey, I'm not sure. Your phone number, your email address, Trendyol application email, the one that you use to apply, and then date of birth, full address. Wow, that's crazy, you know. And then here they say enter your Instagram information. Okay, so you have to add here your Instagram link URL, and also if you have TikTok, you have to, this one is optional, you have to enter here. Once you're done, you're gonna click here I have read and accept influencer code of conduct. I have read and understood the information text regarding the processing of my personal data. And then you're gonna click complete data. So guys, as you can see, the requirements are super high, but if you are already someone who is doing this, you can try it, but where it's super high. Now let's see some of the requirements. I'm going to tell you some of the requirements that are needed for you to actually do what, like I said, some of the form. Now the requirements to join a valid Trendyol account with verified email, and also you have to have a personal identification details, name, Turkish ID, just the same way they have said here, ID, and also contact information. This is the form that they are talking about. And also active social media presence. It is just like the ones that I've told you, ability to upload necessary legal documents and agreements. So it means that you have to upload some of the legal documents and then comply with Trendyol's sharing limits and also programs. If applicable, cooperation with a registered agency for document submission and invoicing. Okay, so those are now in summary. Let me just give you a summary of what they are saying. Application form, you must first fill the application form on Trendyol's influencer page with personal and also social media details, and then you're going to wait for approval, which takes around within 10 days. And then you're going to do what? Upload your documents, upload contracts and also agency documents via Trendyol account. And then you're going to link creation. You're going to start actually use the Trendyol app to create collections and also affiliate links. And then share these links on social media. Maximum 8 links per day count toward commission. Okay, so you cannot share more than 8 links per day. Okay, and then payment issue invoice if earnings 1,000 Turkish lira. Payments made within 30 days after invoice date. Okay, so I have to say that this offer a competitive commission model, or maybe initially 100% of net revenue from sales, bonuses and also coupon rewards to influencers, making it a lucrative opportunity for social media content creators in Turkey, not outside Turkey. Now for detailed guidance and support, Trendyol provides also assistance via the influencer support channels with the app and also email. You can email them at influencer.marketing@trendyol.com. So guys, in conclusion, Trendyol's affiliate program involves registering, applying through their official form, submitting required documents, and creating affiliate links via the app and sharing these links to earn commissions and start generating sales. As you can see, the requirements are quite high for people, especially if you have a low following. But if you are a person who already have this, like the followers, your followers are about 30,000 or maybe 30,000 plus. Then and also if you meet all the things we have talked about, you are in Turkey, you actually have the ID and everything, then you can try their program and start promoting this. Beautiful. They have a lot of things actually. Turkey is in terms of Trendyol, They have a lot of amazing products that you can start promoting. So guys, tell me in the comment section, have you ever bought anything from Trendyol? I will want to hear your views, especially for those consumers who are actually buying here. Have you actually bought anything from Trendyol.com? What was your expectation? What was your experience in terms of actually buying? Were the qualities high or not high compared to what you are expecting? Until next time guys, I'll see you. If you have more questions, be open to ask in the comment section. I'll see you. Bye.